this is me. This is Richard from Richard's Tiny World. This is a new type of airplane, and I'm gonna check how far I could go. And after this, I will show you how to make it from my library book. Okay, let's start, everybody. Whoa!
Wow!
That is really great, everybody. Did you see that? Test 2. Burn. Test 3. Test 4. Hey, you slept like a baby. Test 4.
Last. Wow!
Last test. Test 5. Ow. Test 5.
Oh,
That was a perfect landing.
yeah.
Landing right in there. What about the last one? Test 6. What? It came back to me.
Wow.
My legs aren't an airport. Do you think my legs are an airport? Okay, don't laugh at my legs, you know. It is not an airport. Oh, jeez. Stop laughing. Okay, don't you dare laugh. Okay, let's start. Hey, stop laughing or I'm crying like a baby. Yeah! It's the last flight. Let's...
No, try again.
One more time. Last flight. Let's go. What?
Wow.
Now it's
Okay.
time to show you how to... Ooh.
Achoo. Achoo.
Okay. Come on. Hey. Don't break my air. Bro, everyone stop looking. Okay, fine. Let's go. What's the book? Okay, let's go. We just need one paper and the scissors, but you don't need a paper airplane book because I will show you. Okay, everybody, let's start. Let me just get my scissors. Let's find the page. Yep, this is how it looks like. This is Thunderbolt. That was why it sounds like a thunderbolt. Okay, everybody. Okay, let's start. Okay. First, I have to fold it like this. This is so impossible, bro. Okay, then now you need the scissors and to cut this. 1 second. Okay. Let's cut. Be careful with the scissors. Get an adult. No, you cut it.
There you go.
Thank you. Thank you, Mom. Okay. Now you got square. I need that piece. Now, with this piece what you cut out, fold. Then fold here, two sides. Then unfold, then straight it up. Then when you have two of them, just then in the end you just make it, touch it right there. Next page. Then right up there. Then put it right there. Then unfold. Then that. Then that. 13, 14. Then get this piece. Place it right there. Then you fold it like this without crossing the line in the middle. Then you fold two sides without touching the line. Then you have this. Then you make this like this. Then this. It doesn't matter if you didn't do it perfect. Then you're done. Then you test. Okay, everybody? Whoa! Okay, second test. New one. Whoa. Okay, last test. Whoa! It went to the kitchen! This is the bestest airplane. Thank you everybody for watching our video. I hope you put a like, or I won't put any more paper airplane videos. Please like the video. If you like, I will still make more paper airplane videos. And so please subscribe so I will make more paper airplane videos. Bye everybody. Bye. No.